Hello everyone. I'm here again with a new video in a fresh, fantastic trading strategy. I hope that since the previous videos, you've begun increasing your capital by working with various trading models. My greatest happiness lies in being able to assist you. If I can achieve that, I feel happiness and pride. In this video, we will learn one way to realistically make profits using just two different indicators. Why do I say realistically? Because at least 90% of the content available on platforms like YouTube incorrectly teaches how to use indicators. I insistently touch upon this in every video. Countless traders who take these sources seriously and apply their advice end up losing a significant portion or even all of their capital within a short period. As I always emphasize, indicators can merely provide assistance in achieving successful trading. Every individual participating in the market must remember to apply their own knowledge and experience to the trade they plan before opening a position. What are these aspects? For instance, elements like drawing an accurate trend line, identifying horizontal support or resistance lines, or recognizing peaks and troughs in price movement. All of these, I'm trying to teach you without complicating things and without extending my videos too much. Please watch the videos from beginning to end without skipping, as even among examples that might seem similar, I'm also addressing significant differences that will help you gain experience. For example, ignoring a trap movement formed with just two candlesticks on the chart can lead to closing a trade with substantial losses. Without further ado, let's move on to your education. Of course, before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, write down any questions you have in the comments section, and share the videos. Let's get started. Rule 1. The 13-period yellow-colored EMA, the 50-period blue-colored EMA, and the 200-period white-colored EMA lines should be arranged successively in an upward direction. Rule 2. Subsequently, we draw a resistance line at the peak level formed due to the retracement movement. Rule 3. And we enter the trade upon the closing of the candlestick that made the upward breakout movement confirmed by the red-colored column of the volume analysis indicator. We set the risk and reward ratio at 1.5 and reach the target. Of course, it's not necessary to completely close the trade at this level. Traders aiming for higher profits can continue by taking partial profits at this level and adjusting the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade. Rule 1. The 13-period yellow-colored EMA, the 50-period blue-colored EMA, and the 200-period white-colored EMA lines should be arranged successively in a downward direction. Rule 2. Subsequently, we draw a support line at the deep level formed due to the retracement movement. Please pay attention here. We can see that the support line was initially broken in a downward direction, but this breakout movement is not accompanied by a yellow or red colored bar in the volume analysis indicator. As a result, the indicator did not confirm this breakout. In this case, most likely, we are facing a bear trap set by market makers, and the indicator is saving us from a loss. And now, the support line has been broken downward once again, and simultaneously, a yellow-colored bar appeared on the volume analysis indicator. Entering the trade is now relatively safer. As you can see, we've reached our initial 1 to 1.5 target. It was a successful trade. The signals in this strategy are quite strong and have a high rate of reaching the target, but it's crucial for the trader to ensure that all conditions are met. I believe you are familiar with the rules of trading, and I'm presenting 2 more different trade examples to you. Please watch them carefully to enhance your experience. And, of course, if you liked the strategy, don't forget to hit the like button. I believe you liked the trading strategy. Additionally, I'm inviting you to my Telegram channel. If the channel gathers enough members, I will set the channel to private access through referrals. In the channel, I will be sharing short-term intraday strong trading signals. The link is in the description. Goodbye.